Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've got here is a cross converter for the Karcher K-series probe type system, quick release probes. The ones that go into the yellow trigger and the ones that have got the push button on the outlet of the pressure washer. So this item can be screwed into a gun, 3/8 BSP male thread. You've then got the other part, and what simply happens is we push in and the hose goes in place and we slot this little clip in place. Now if you look, when it's slotted in place, this little clip slots in, goes tight, because what it does, it holds itself in around that part of the actual probe itself. So when we come to put it in place, make sure you always grease it first of all before you slot it in place. That quick release goes in, followed by that. It's then locked in place. I've seen other options out there, quick releases, and what simply happens is that with being a quick release with the ball bearings trace, it wears this part of the trace away. So the way we've always done it, we've done it with a little clip like that holds it in place. It means that the ball bearings moving backwards and forwards every time we pull the trigger and release the trigger, it doesn't start wearing away at the trace of that part of the probe. Thank you very much. Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that's 3/8 BSP male thread, same as what goes into all the guns. Thank you very much. Qwashers.